We'll rip straight into this video because I know your time's valuable. Mid-September is the time to get your Granular down, and our Four Seasons is a great product for this. This is a super strategic app that you should be doing a couple of weeks before your planned renovation. Mid-September is that perfect time to apply Granular, and before you do it, make sure that you open up your canopy a bit by giving it a bit of a mow. Doing this will allow the product to get in the canopy easier and promote healthy and positive growth.
Matt's lawn is Lawnporn.
Four Seasons is a slow-release nitrogen and potassium mini-prill, perfect for getting into the canopy without any issues. When the fertiliser sits lower in the canopy, it's more protected and it won't get sucked up in your next mow. Four Seasons is also the easiest way to get iron into your lawn. Overall, this product will give you nice, healthy, steady growth and a dark green colour. So basically spread it out and make sure that you order it in for about 20 minutes. Four Seasons will give you up to 16 weeks feeding, so it's a fantastic product if you're just that once a season fertiliser person. Now I know this lawn isn't in the greatest condition, but I'm going to be turning it around this season, so be sure to subscribe and follow my journey.